Hey, what's up guys, this is your girl Carolyn again with yet another video. There was something I wanted to share with you guys because there are people of all walks of life and I want you guys to be well educated. So I went on a date a while ago and it came to the part of the conversation where the person was asking me about my lifestyle. And what I expressed and shared was that I was vegan. What the person had to say to me was, "Oh, wow, that's interesting. I could get down with some salad." Guys. You guys see, your girl is not missing any meals. I can eat. And by everything you guys see on this video, you guys see that what I eat is a plethora of and a variety of different home cooked, whole ingredient meals, home prepped. If somebody ever tells you, if you're not vegan, and somebody ever tells you, I'm vegan, don't look at them sideways and tell them, "Oh, so you eat salads? That's cool." Cause it was just hilarious. Came home, laughed about it the whole way through. Anyway, just wanted to talk to you guys and share my beautiful pictures. I hope you're well. I am well. Always remember that Jesus loves you. Enjoy the pictures. Bye. Mwah.
No,